You've probably seen a lot of videos on YouTube about how to get more views, right? And they usually say the same things. Start with a strong hook, create an eye catching title, and make a killer thumbnail. And all of that is true. But what about those secret hacks? The ones nobody talks about enough. Today, I'm sharing some of those secrets with you. So stick around until the end because you're in for a surprise. These are stuff that either people keep to themselves or maybe don't even know themselves. By the end of this video, I'm pretty sure you learn at least one trick that you haven't heard before. Hold me to it in the comment section. So let's dive in. First, include the current year in your video titles when necessary or when it's possible. This is huge, especially if you're a newer creator trying to compete on YouTube with so many competition. Putting 2025, for example, in your title tells people your video is fresh and up to date and they can trust that. And that little trick helped me grow my channel over on True Travel Treasures faster than it was doing before. When I first started on YouTube, I was making videos about making money online. That's a few years back, and that's a super competitive niche. I no longer have that channel because of different reasons. That's a long story for another time. But I can remember how challenging it was back then to compete. But I learned a lot while I had that channel. And that's why I can be telling those things to you now. One thing I learned to do differently in order to get more views was to add the current year to my titles. It makes a whole lot of difference. So when someone is deciding between my video and someone else's video, they will usually choose mine. They'll click on mine because of the year in the title, even though my channel is small was smaller. And I had fewer views at the time. Why? Because having the current year in the title tells viewers, hey, this information is fresh and up to date. So after I started doing that, I got more views. Now, this is something most people don't do. After the year passes, they don't go back and update that year in their title to stay relevant. If you don't do that on your channel, you are actually hurting your video's shelf life. Viewers see a title from 2 years ago and think, I want something new. That is too old. That's exactly what they think. And so they'll pick videos with the latest year or no year at all. So keep your titles current for relevancy. And here's a game-changing strategy I've been using to get more views. vidIQ has a keyword research tool as well as a trending video tool and daily or feature rather and daily ideas hot title lists. These let you see how many views your competitors. It lets you do keyword research, but it lets you see the views that your competitors are getting, the trending views. Feature using their outlier video to get inspiration. That's what you can do, and put your own twist on that video to see if you can do it better. An outlier video is when the creator has more views than subscribers. This tells you that the video is doing great and the algorithm is pushing it. But don't just copy somebody else's videos. Also make the most of your own existing videos, the ones that you have on your channel. vidIQ helps you to spot videos with good watch time but low click-through rates. That means your content is good, but your title may not be as good, or the thumbnail may need to be refreshed. so you can repurpose your own videos. Changing those things can turn a flop into a viral hit. I've seen videos jump from almost no views to millions just by tweaking the packaging. Remember that. If you want to go further, vidIQ now has a new thumbnail generator and I generate a tool that feature that I swear by. You can use it to create multiple thumbnails that you can A/B test when you're uploading your videos on YouTube. A/B testing lets you test different thumbnails and titles officially. This helped me to double my views and my ad revenues as well, because more views, more ad revenues, you know that. And if you rely on brand deals, more views mean higher rates from the companies. I'm only scratching the surface of what vidIQ can do. So to get you started, you will find the link in the description, and it's only $1 for 30 days. And then after the 30 days, you can decide to use the paid version, which only starts at $20 per month. I think that is quite reasonable for the amount of features they have, the number of features. You're gonna love it. And if you want to take YouTube seriously this year, 2025, it's a no-brainer to use vidIQ. So click the link in my description now or when this video is finished. Next up is a sneaky strategy many don't talk about, but it works like magic. And that is re-uploading or repurposing old videos. And not just repurposing them into shorts, but three ways to upload. String older videos together to create a long masterclass, as long as the videos are closely related. Think Media does this with their YouTube video courses. You just add intros to the videos and transitions, and you don't have to do any extra filming either. You just put the videos, turn them into one video. And then you can break a long video into multiple shorter clips. Podcasts do this all the time to get more views on smaller segments. And you can use Opus Clip to do the same. Split up the long form into shorts and upload it even to TikTok and even X.com and other platforms. Next, you can recreate popular segments from your videos that got the most engagement. For example, I already did a video that went viral and it got traction. Maybe not as much as the actual viral video that I split up, but it did get thousands of views, and I'm happy with that. Lastly, here's a powerful tip that if you hate being boxed into a single niche, create a video series. Make multiple videos around one topic, like a mini series or a mini course. I just did that the other day on my travel channel, and I created a playlist for all the videos in the miniseries, part 1 to 5, I think it was. It keeps your channel fresh and your audience hooked, because if they like one video out of the series, they're going to watch the remaining four. Well, I have five, the remaining ones in the series. And after you're done with it, you can bundle those videos into a masterclass and then switch topics and start a new series. This solves the algorithm confusion problem. Yes, it does. By giving YouTube a clear idea of what your channel offers to viewers temporarily. Here's a pro tip: use your end screens intentionally to guide viewers to the next video in your series. That's important, because how are they going to know you have a series? This keeps watch time high and viewers engaged. If you're serious about growing your YouTube channel, if you're serious, I've got some free goodies just for you: a video planning guide and a viral video cheat sheet that will totally help you map out your content and get those views rolling in, thousands upon thousands, or even millions. You can grab both in the description below. They're totally free, no strings attached. Just go ahead and download them. And if you're enjoying this video and want to support my channel, and even more, consider hitting that super thanks button. It's a cool way, it's below the video. It's a cool way to send some love and help me keep bringing you good content and tips and hacks and tricks just like these. And if you want to automate your channel, that's important, then my new ebooks can help. One is the YouTube Creators Kit for Success, and the other is what you need to know before you create a faceless YouTube channel if you're interested in working behind the scenes. Both are gems you just need to have if you want to succeed on these YouTube streets. Let me tell you, don't be without these. Both links will also be in the description. That's it for now. If you want to learn more strategies like these, hit that subscribe button, like this video, and check out the links below. And make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Get started with vidIQ. I can't say that enough. And let's crush your YouTube goals together. I hope you're ready for it. I really hope so. Until next time, see you soon. I am your host, Cheryl, and I'm glad you stayed till the end. Thank you so much, guys. See you in the next video.